Your agent website is a great place to help potential clients learn more about you. To update your website, first click your name or a photo in the top navigation bar in Zap and select My Website. The large photo at the top of the screen is the cover photo that will appear on your website's homepage. You can change it by clicking Change Cover Photo in the top right. Follow the steps to upload a photo from your computer. Crop it how you'd like and confirm. You can also change your agent photo. To add a new photo of yourself, click the plus icon. Choose a file to upload, crop it how you'd like, and then upload your photo. Right beneath your photo, you'll see your website URL and your mobile app URL. Use the website URL to direct customers to your desktop or mobile website. The mobile app URL will send them directly to the Google Play Store or App Store to download the Android or iOS app and have their account linked to you. The section labeled Content is broken up into 4 subsections: About Me, Buy a Home, Sell a Home, and Custom Pages. From the About Me subsection, you can add your personal statement, display a YouTube video, or link your social media. Using the Buy a Home and Sell a Home pages, you can direct your customers to information on buying or selling a home. Toggle on the Content module to include content you'd like to keep static. Additionally, you can turn on the Blog module, which will showcase your 3 most recent blog posts on buying or selling. Custom pages allow you to create custom content for your visitors. From this section, you can create a new custom page or manage your current pages. Your Areas Served module is a great place to highlight up to 21 of the major cities that you work in. To display a city as a link in your Areas Served module, just click Add New City here. Begin typing the name and select the city from the list that appears. You can click and drag to reorder the cities, or click the X to remove any city that you don't want to display here. My Sold Homes automatically displays homes you sold on your agent website. If you don't want your sold homes to show on your website, toggle this module off. Manage the property or local insights you've written about the homes, neighborhoods, and cities you've visited. You can choose to view details or delete an existing insight. To start a new insight, click Add Property Insights or Add Local Insights. The local SEO playbook lists tips and tasks for improving your search engine optimization. Check them off as you complete them. Display links for up to 15 other websites, such as your business partners, lenders, or home inspectors. To add a link, type in the name of the resource, the URL, select a category, and click Save. You can edit a resource you've already added by clicking the pencil icon, or delete one by clicking the trash can. Reviews are client feedback, which Zap directly collects and displays. Testimonials are curated by you. Under Reviews Display, select whether to display agent reviews or testimonials. Share your experiences by adding professional information such as your work experience, credentials and memberships, and community involvement. To add a new field, click onto a category, click Add New to type an entry, and click Save. To track visitor traffic or Facebook conversion, you can copy and paste your Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel ID. Make any changes from the My Website page, then give the website a few hours to reflect these updates. Finally, review your changes by clicking View My Website at the top of the page.